Hi friend, my name's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about summer accessories. I've got gorgeous jewelry, handbags, and shoes to share with you from my favorite retailers that I've collected over these past couple of months. These are some of my top picks for the summer season that I think will be perfect for your summer wardrobe. We are starting with something that is very practical, and it is a sun hat. This is one of my go-to hats. It's a bucket hat that I picked up from Old Navy last year. I'll throw it on so you can see how it looks on me. This is exactly what I packed with me when we went on a 2-week Caribbean cruise. I had this hat and then a little bit of a floppier version as well. So I brought 2 hats with me to just keep myself away from the sun as much as possible. So a sun hat is imperative for the season, and it's also a great way to accessorize your outfit. This one is awesome from Old Navy. Amazon makes tons of similar options that I'll share below. I'm also such a jewelry lover, and I want to thank Luisa for partnering with me on this portion of this video. I've picked up 2 beautiful new pieces from the Luisa line. I've got these pearl huggy hoops. They're dainty, they're effortless, perfect for everyday wear. These are water resistant, sweat proof, and tarnish proof. Their jewelry won't fade even after tons of wear, swimming, sweating outside in the summer heat. These are seriously going to become my everyday earring. I love how lightweight they feel too. To go with these Frida hoop earrings, I also picked up another necklace from Luisa. This is the Katie necklace. It's so my style. It has this antique element to it in the middle, this pendant, and then it also comes with a pearl on the side. These 2 beautiful pieces from Luisa are so my style. I love that they're water resistant. They're going to be perfect from day to night, no matter what plans I have for the summer. I definitely think you should check them out. They're high quality pieces that are also affordable. These pieces were under $100, and you also get a 2-year warranty. They've got easy exchanges, so if you're not happy with your purchase, you can contact them. These gold pieces from Luisa are adding a little bit of femininity to my outfit. These are classy and timeless pieces that I'm going to own for years to come. I'm going to link these pieces from Luisa down below on my LTK shop for you to check out. These slide sandals from Target are a must-have for the summer season. I basically just took these off my feet a couple of minutes ago because they're the shoes that I've been wearing. I have these from Target in 3 different colorways. I've got the rattan ones, the white, and then the cognac. These look high-end, they fit amazing, they're comfortable, they've got memory foam, so good. $20. If you are considering picking up some new summer sandals, I definitely recommend these. I just recently filmed a Walmart haul styling this purse numerous ways. Oh my gosh, I mean, look at the raffia detail. This looks so high-end. I also love that it has the brown on the strap. Little faux leather moment. It honestly looks really good with this outfit that I have on, all of the neutrals and the gold jewelry from Luisa. This is such a pretty purse from Walmart. It's on trend, and this is going to be my new favorite summer purse. It's the summertime, so it's even more important to block the sun from your face with a pair of sunglasses. I already shared the bucket hat earlier, and then these are some of my go-to oversized shades from the Sojos brand on Amazon. They're like a vintage style. These glasses look like Prada, but I think they're $12. Super cute Longchamp inspired crossbody purse. Also something that I packed with me on our cruise vacation. This fit all of my things that I needed when we were on our ship and also off at different ports. I love that it's beige, it's neutral, it goes with everything. Just a nice, easy everyday crossbody bag is another must-have summer accessory. You can check out this one. I'll link it down below. It's on Amazon. So when you're not wearing your slide sandals on an everyday basis and you want to dress up a look, go for some block heels. These have been a top seller from Walmart. They're $25. They're from the brand Aerosols. And whenever I'm throwing on a sundress, these are the shoes that I reach for if I want to elevate my look. These are neutral. They also do come in tan. These are a size 9, so I did go down a size. And they are a block heel, but they're insanely comfortable and affordable. I was just at Target and I picked up a couple of beautiful summer claw clips. These are also on trend right now. Nice oversized claw clip for your hair. So I found this one, the all gold shell, and I have very thin, fine hair, so I can't wear like really big claw clips. They have to be small, and this is the perfect size for my amount of hair. And then how beautiful is this one with the pearls? I mean, matches the earrings and the pearl details that I have going on from the Ana Luisa pieces beautifully. So I was very excited to pick this one up as well. I think both of these were under $10. I also feel like headbands are having a resurgence in a moment for the summer. This is a really beautiful one I grabbed from Walmart last year. It has the rattan elements, super fun. I'll just pop it in with this neutral outfit. I feel like it goes really nicely. I also saw a bunch of headbands at Target. I saw some lemon printed ones. So I think I'll include a collage of some favorites that are from Target and Walmart that you can pick up. Thanks so much for watching today's video covering summer accessories. Thank you to Ana Luisa for these beautiful new pieces in my summer wardrobe. I'll have them linked on my LTK. Hit the red subscribe button before you go for even more fashion content from me, and I'll see you in my next video.